Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Coming into Las Vegas. Here we go, party people. We are about to check this timing belt. A mechanic said it had cracks on it. Now this car had a cylinder head done on it maybe 40,000 miles ago. How many miles you put on it since y'all bought it, Gilbert?
About 27,000.
About 27,000 miles ago. Man, that would be kind of sad if somebody did a cylinder head without changing the belt that close to it needing one. But we're going to take a look at it, see if it needs a belt, and if it does, we're going to be going to town on this one soon. Making it safe. Yes, folks, it is on the very early stages of cracking. Let me put a flash on. You got to look like really close to see any cracking. If for some reason this Samsung phone doesn't do micro zooming. But as you can see, there's really no visible crack from 6 inches. You got to get down to about 2 inches. Anyway, we're going to try to pull the belt, see how old the water pump is, and see if we need to order this kit. In my opinion, looking at the belt, it's probably got 10,000 miles that can drive it on that belt. You been driving this car today?
Earlier.
Its tension's a little bit on the high side.
Over here.
I don't even think that's a Volvo water pump. Yeah, it's a Volvo pump. Let me see if I can tell what that data is right there. We rolled the engine around, and it's a INA belt. And it is cracking minor. Probably could last another 10,000, but we're going to get a belt put on here. Water pump's practically new, so we're not going to do that. Alrighty, we have an airbag service message. When we scanned it, it said the SRS indicator lamp signal missing. Not sure what that means. ECU got this camshaft reset valve problem, and that's the only code in here. So let's see if I can figure out what that is. Got a check engine light with no ECM code, but we got a TCM code. Gear shift position sensor faulty. We're going to clear that, see if it clears the check engine light. Here we go, folks. Dealer timing belt water pump estimate. And by the way, this car's water pump's only like 3 years old. 1621. Can't believe it. You can actually fly me in from anywhere in the world. You could give me a $400 gambling allowance. You could take me to 3 restaurants, buy all the parts, have me do the job, and fly me back home, and still save $400. Time for us to do the timing belt. Went to lunch, picked up the timing belt, and we're going to replace this thing. So I'm going to jack the car up, pull this wheel off. I'm going to pull a harmonic balancer off to get this thing out of here. Let's get with it. I got the belt off, serpentine belt off. The idler feels fine, probably got 50,000 miles left. We got a minor leak at the crank seal, and this roller feels good. It's starting to sling a little grease for some reason though. What brand is it? It's INA. And down here, we pulled the harmonic balancer, and you see a little bit of oil starting to leak out of that crank seal. So we're going to watch that. Put this belt on and get this thing done. Good to go. That took me probably twice as long as it should have. Go ahead. Oh, dang. The tool was still on the crank. Go ahead. Tracking smooth. Yeah, go ahead. And the tensioner barely moved. Folks, we are done, ready to go. Going to order a crank seal and do it all again. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.